Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would change your air filter in your 2019 Nissan Sentra with a 1.8 motor. Right? So here's your air filter box. This is the box where the air filter actually is, and then there is this whole tubing apparatus, and you just remove all of that at the same time. So just unclip your clip on the top here, and there's a clip on the side here that you would pop, and then if you pull it back a little bit, because there's a little tab that locks in over here, and then that way you can just pull the whole thing out. If you just change just straight air filter, you really don't need to take it completely out, but you're going to want to, you'll take your filter out. You see that this one is a very dirty air filter, and because we got a little bit of debris here, I'm just going to vacuum it out and wipe it out. Alright, so I've cleaned that out a bit, and then you're going to take your new filter, place it in there. So we've got our new filter sitting in there, and now this is where it's going to take a little bit. We got to make sure we get this piece down here to go down in there. Work our way down, and then you've got a little grommet with the hole there. Make sure that this tube lines up with the other tube down there. There's two tubes that come together. There's a little foam insert down there, and then up top here, you've got to get this to drop in. There are little like a guide at the bottom, so if you reach your hand down on this side and press it so that you're in there, and then you can drop it down, it lines up in the hole, and there's a tab on this side, that lines up, and then it will be able to close. And seal into place. And so that's how you replace your air filter on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.